U.S. Consul General and Sindh Culture Minister signed the renewal of a MoU for the 4 Lincoln Corners located in public libraries in Karachi, Hyderabad, Khairpur and Larkana. Lincoln Corner, Karachi at the Liaquat Memorial Library is the largest in Sindh and features a unique one-of-a-kind space in Pakistan called a Start-up Lab, where aspiring entrepreneurs can turn ideas into a startup business using the latest technology and equipment, all for free. Lincoln Corners are partnerships between the U.S. and Pakistani public libraries, universities, and community centers. They are event spaces and resource centers that connect young leaders with the United States. Online and in-person programs are free and open to the public, a tangible symbol of the strength and breadth of U.S.-Pakistan relations. Speaking on the occasion, the Consul General said, "As we celebrate 75 years of U.S.-Pakistan relations, our Lincoln Corners in Pakistan contribute to expanding our people-to-people ties, bringing Pakistanis and Americans together, and providing access to educational resources and information." Lincoln Corners highlight the shared values among Pakistanis and Americans, especially with regard to education and democracy.